Good morning, traders. It is Friday, and I am looking to take W short here under the lows. Although it just moved up, and it's making my stop a little bit bigger now. I don't think I'm gonna play this one for a gap instead of breaking a pre-market low here, because otherwise my risk is just too big. So I will take it under the short of this candle, which, if it's gonna keep moving up like that, I'm not gonna take it. That one's gonna be put on hold. I'm looking at JWN here for 18. Shorting 100 at 18 for the break. I'm in at 19. Just gonna keep going here. It's looking good. We got a lot of pressure pushing it down here, and of course, as soon as I say something. I'd like to see it keep moving here. Stop loss will be at 20 here. I don't want to, or I'll put it at 25. I don't want to lose too much. It's a quick mover, so it might bust me out. Alright, it is in. Looks fair. Okay, there we go. There's the break. Buying half. Ah, shoot. Oh well, take what you can get. I'll look to take the rest at 50 again if it touches it. Alright, first trade of the day, 70 bucks. It's kind of funny, it's $30 yesterday too. Okay, looking to take KNSL short under the 60 here. Had a nice pullback, looking for the breakdown under 60. Stop loss will be above 80. It's looking okay so far. I want to see it at least touch the 60 again. If it breaks that 80, I'm not going to take it just yet. Really don't like that small red candle there. That's a little too small for me.
TWL.
I'm in at 56. Looks like we're hitting some, oh yeah, look at that. Yeah, I'll take half off if it gets me back at entry right there. And it's not 50, it's supposed to be 125. 60, I'll put it at 61, although it's already too late. Definitely want this to be at 80, 81. Let's make this a market. Come here, I buy half only does 50 shares. I'd like to see it keep moving here, but but that 32.50 was a big buyer there. Yeah, we'll see what happens. Oh, here we go. Down to the 30s, 20s. It's still going. It's getting kind of weak here. There's a lot of buying coming in. I'll take it if it moves up a penny. Went a penny down and I accidentally took. Oh well. Got 35 there. Big red candle looking good. Still looking good. I'll let the rest keep running here. Let's see. Won't let it go to, we'll say 40 for now. There we go. It's just going to keep on running. Man, imagine if I just kept my full size. That's a little upsetting, but the high of this candle is 29. Oh, here we go. Look at that, from 10 to 24. I'll take it at 29.30. Really like to see keep moving down here. These two huge red candles, but now it's kind of pulling back a little bit. Just want to see it drop. Be exiting here pretty quickly. Volume's growing in the wrong direction. See what happens. I want to put it in a stop order, but I'm afraid if I move it, it's going to bust it really quick. Here we go. Alright, I'm out of the trade, plus 61. Okay, looking to get into DKS here short. This is one of my 25-50 trades setting up here. Really like how it was just like JWL and the or JWN and the KNSL started up, gapping up, or pullback on the gap down, and then it's breaking it. And then on the pullback with the green candles, we got lower volume, and then volume looks like it's coming back into here. I'm gonna try and get in 50 at 38, so it'll be $25 risk over the low high, I guess. And then I'll be getting in another full size here at 46, risking $38 at the break of this. But I want to see this volume keep growing first, so I'll let it run and we'll see what happens. Actually, I'll just start recording if it ends up getting there. Okay guys, I'm going to call it a day here. I'm up 131 and I want to keep it that way, and I don't want to give any of it back today, so we are going to call it. Alright, first trade of the day was JWN. Saw it right at the pre-market lows here. Was looking to take it right under the lows. Saw as soon as we were getting closer to the opening bell here that it was close enough to it that I could form a good risk-reward area. Ended up opening up around the 60. Decided to use the 60 as my stop loss. Obviously took it under the lows here at 43.19 with 100 shares. Sold half into strength. Let's see, got all the way down to about 45 here. So I ended up holding it through all this 20 and everything. Was never really a trade where I was ever negative, which is always something that is a good sign. So obviously the huge candles start coming in. Sold half. almost at the bottom here. Kind of missed it by a few cents. Ended up pulling out of the whole trade about 52 there for a total of $7 trade. Which is kind of weird because yesterday on Macy's I also opened with a $70 trade. Second trade was KNSL. Had a really nice consolidation here at the opening. It was on the pre-market list here, but it didn't. And if I wanted to consider this the low, if it actually touched the low, but that was way too far away. Obviously, it had a nice pullback at the open. Couldn't break over the 80. Had a nice support at the 60. Wanted to take it under the 60. Decided to take 250. Obviously, slippage caught me by about 4 cents, so that missed out on what, 10 bucks, I guess. Sold half at 33 here, which wasn't actually an accident, because I remember saying, alright, if it moves a cent up, then I'll take it, and it actually moved a cent down, but I kind of freaked out, clicked it anyway, locking in 30, 40 something dollars. Watched it some more. Obviously it would have been a $150 trade if I sold it down here, but whenever it reaches these whole numbers like this, I'm always looking for a break of the whole number for some more continuation. But daily was okay. Still decided to take it. Let's see. Ended up getting totally out of the trade here, about 30, 33 for a $61 trade. I was also looking at DKS. Had a nice formation here, but the volume started dying out. Decided to bail out. I actually might have gotten in here. Nope, the low of that was 42. I had an entry in a 40, so I just missed out by 2 cents, which was obviously a good thing, because as soon as it hit it, spiked right back up. Ended up not taking the trade. There is an IPO out right now.
Ammo.
Let's see, ASV7. Actually doesn't look too bad, but I'm not gonna waste my time taking it, so we're just gonna ignore it for now. Yep, finishing the day up 131. Another thing that I'm going to start doing here is posting weeklies here. So for my first ever weekly, I'm actually finishing this whole week up $111. This is all excluding commissions. If we were including commissions, I'm probably up $20, $30 maybe. But the thing that I like the most here is that my win rate is actually above 50%. So if I keep playing, if I keep going like this, and I do a 1-to-1 risk reward, which has just been on my mind constantly, trying to figure out how I want to take care of risk and how I want to plan my exit strategies and whatnot. The way that I think I like going about it now is taking a 1-to-1 and having that plus 50% win ratio to stay positive, because I like taking profits. I don't like waiting. I don't like having a 1-to-2 risk reward, because obviously you never know if it's going to make it all the way to your 2 times your risk, and I like to take profits when I can. I like to sell into strength, so I think that this way much more suits my personality. So I'll start going with this, seeing how that goes. Yep, it was Good Friday, good week overall. I will be back again on Monday, ready to trade. Thanks for watching.